grow 20 acres of long English cucumbers and also mini cucumbers. The Houweling's brand stands for a lot. It's all about quality, honesty, and integrity. When someone picks up a Houweling's label in the store, we want them to trust what we're growing, and sustainability is a huge aspect to it.
As somebody who deals with the consumers directly, I hear constantly about how our consumers want to reduce their own carbon footprint. And when we heard about Apeel and replacing plastic, we realized it was the ultimate solution for our long English cucumbers.
Unlike most produce that you'll find in a retail store, the English cucumber needs a plastic wrap to be able to give it the shelf life it needs to get to the consumer. And so we had a really interesting opportunity with our shelf life extension technology to take that same cucumber, get it to the consumer without the use of that plastic wrap.
Anytime you're working with a disruptive technology, you're taking a risk. And so we're very lucky to have found such an amazing partner to introduce this product with.
Houweling's completely retrofitted the space where we did the integration, moving large pieces of equipment to allow us the space to come in and bring our engineering solution of applying and drying.
Working with Apeel, it's kind of been like we're one whole team. Apeel is constantly reaching out to make sure that we're getting what we need and they're getting what they need from us. In the beginning, we needed to really test and make sure that the Apeel product worked on our cucumbers and how it would look in stores. And now we're just going through the steps of finding the right machinery and making sure everything's ready to launch.
It is the first time we're working with cucumbers, so that we've developed a lot of new technology and different way of conveying the cucumbers through our system in order to apply our solution correctly onto it.
We had to bring in a rolling brush bed system that allows us to then apply and spray our product, and then moving to a circular drying conveyor, which is a really cool contraption to allow many cucumbers to stay in single file line as they get dried. I think this is just the beginning in a long future of a much more sustainably focused and inclusive food system.
This first partnership with Houweling's that we're so excited about, in a year that can reduce 60,000 pounds of single-use plastic. I think if consumers see that it's possible to go into the produce section and not have to see things that are plastic wrapped, they'll start to expect that.
The response from the marketplace has been very exciting. We have a lot of customers who want to get started as soon as we can. We're really hoping that plastic-free cucumbers just become the norm and that there's no longer a question of do I buy a plastic cucumber or a plastic-free, that it's just what it is going forward.